Okay, folks, I'm going to show you a little trick right here. I'm going to take this out, and then we're going to go all the way to the bottom of the center console, and you're going to see that nice little spot right there. So what that's for is, say the battery dies on your key fob. So if I do this, step on the brake, starts the car. Now if I do this, all right, so now we've got the battery out. We're going to step on the gas, the brake, and nothing. I'm going to put the key fob in there. The battery's here. And the car still starts.